No, I don't.
Oh!
Oh!
You know those little juicies? Hey, a branch just fell right in it almost near on our trampoline.
Exactly, it's really cool.
It's starting to rain, I feel drops! Let's go.
Get off, boys.
Brandon, look what I like to do.
There's drops falling now. Stop jumping!
Alright, go! Get it there! Get it there! Hey guys, we got a vicious storm heading for us.
And it's not no tornado, it's a thunderstorm, dummy.
If you guys get hit with this vicious crap,
It's starting to rain now. And the whole family's out here pretty much. But there's so much movement going on. Hold on, Lily. That's Lilybug, my little sister. And you see all these trees swaying back and forth from all this wind. See, look up, Lily.
Angel, what if a big tree? Oh, Angel, get up there!
I know, but I'm scared of that tree. Shaking back and forth. Brayden, turn that off.
Why?
Because it's annoying. And get off.
No, you can say
Michael! Oh, I missed!
What the heck? Oh my God! Ow! That hurt!
What the? Michael!
Ow, I want a red! Give me the red.
I'll get blue, I want a blue!
Sorry. I was just hit with a juice. A barrel of juice. And it hurt my foot. Oh, it's starting to rain now. Hold on.
Michael! That's us! It's raining!
And if you were actually seeing this in person, it'd be awesome. Because look at our trampoline that's now covered in leaves and our water slide. Here, let me zoom in.
Brandon, it's sprinkling! Michael, come over here!
That's our roof.
Michael, come over here!
And these are all the trees all the way around. Our trees. Okay. Yeah, we got some blue skies, but over here it's all drippy, droppy thunder. And over there it's going to be drippy, droppy thunder more. And over there, and over there. Yeah. There is a huge thunderstorm coming. And if it's coming towards you, if I were you, I would take cover quickly. Bye.